Yeah, you might be.
Mhm.
So let's go here. So it's deletion distance. So the deletion distance of two strings is the minimum number of characters you need to delete in two strings in order to get the same string. Okay, for instance, the deletion distance between heat and heat is 3. By deleting E and A in heat and I in heat, we get the string st in both cases. We cannot get the same string from both the string by deleting two letters or fewer. So given the strings str1 and str2, write an efficient deletion distance that returns the deletion distance between them. Explain how your function works and analyze its time and space complexity. So actually I have been provided two strings str1 and str2. So I have to make both the string equal by deleting some characters uh, from str1 and some characters from str2. So suppose in the first example, it's, it's given dog and frog. So I can delete D from dog, so it will become OG, and if I'll delete a far from frog, so it will become OG, and now it's both the string becomes equal, so its answer will be 1 plus 2, that's 3. Yeah, am I correct?
Yes.
Hmm. So I'm thinking of like I'll compare its characters, starting from the zeroth character. Okay, so I'm thinking of like a recursive approach. Actually, I will start from both the string from the zeroth index, and I will try to see that if both the characters are equal, then I will not delete that character. Otherwise, I will delete the first character or second character. So suppose it's given dog and frog, and I have indexed I for the first and the j for the second. So I will slash 0 0 for both the index, and I'll check if the str1 of I is equal to str2 of j, then I will not delete that character. Otherwise, I will delete any one from that. That's I will try to delete the first character, and I will move forward by increasing the answer by 1. So I'll move forward. I'll increase the I by 1, and I'll leave the j. And in one case, actually will have two choices. So in one choice I will delete from the first string, and in the second choice I will delete from the second index. That will be like I and j plus 1. So I will so this will be like two choices, and similarly at the last, when I reach to the end, suppose I become like here, if I become 3, then then actually I have exceeded the uh, string size limit. So I'll return the number of return the all the uh, number of characters remaining in the second string. And similarly, if j reach to the end, like j reach to the 4, then I'll return all the remaining characters, all the number of remaining characters in the first string. Have you got my approach?
Mm-hmm. Sounds good.
Should I write the code?
Yes, of course.
So let me write the code. If I'm taking two string s1 and s2 and two indexes I and j, which I am slicing with 0. So if s1 of I is equal to s2 of j, then initially I'll slice a number that will be our answer. So here I will not delete uh, this, so answer will be like a deletion of s1 s2 and I plus 1 and j plus 1. Otherwise I will delete either the first or the second. So here answer will be minimum deletion from the first choice, like deletion 1 plus deletion of s1 s2 I plus 1 j, and 1 plus deletion of s1 s2 I and j plus 1, and at the last I'll return the answer. And for the best case, if I reach to the end, that is I, if I equal to s1 dot size, then I'll return s2 dot size, suppose s2 dot size minus j. Yeah, if j reach to the end, that is j is equal to s2 dot size, then I'll return s1 dot size minus I.
Okay, can you explain the base cases?
Yeah. Suppose I have reached to the first, I have reached to the end of the first string. So to make the both a string equal, I have I have to delete all the remaining characters of the second string.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why I have returned all the total number of remaining character in the second string.
Okay,
Similarly, if I have reached to the end of the second string, then I will return the remaining number of character of the first string. So that's s1 dot size minus I.
okay.
So I will call this to clear out all clear out, which I will confirm.
Yeah, I think so. These two cases are also left now that if your string is equal initially, that is if your s1 is equals to s2.
Yeah, that will be handled in that
Yeah, yeah,
code.
that should be handled, but I think so. You have to write it now in order to make your code looks good. You know?
Yeah, I can write.
Yeah, yeah, it's not a problem.
Yeah, let me do a dry run. Like if I am starting from dog and frog, so I will be 0 and j will be like 0. So here I and j will, base condition will not be satisfied, and neither if condition will satisfied. So I will have two choices. So either I will become 1 0 and j will be 0, and or either I will be 0 and j will be 1. So yeah, I think, and the minimum of the minimum deletion from both will be returned. Yeah, I think this is going to work. Hello.
Yeah, yeah, I'm listening. Hello.
Yeah, checking for the sample distance. Yes. No matching files. Okay, let's see.
Okay, yeah, I think so. You don't, you didn't given the indexes, no?
No,
For INJ.
Acha.
Yeah, I don't know about C++, but is this a valid? Yes. No, it's okay.
But actually, we can like this is
Hmm.
default parameters. We can define the default parameters on the at
Hmm.
the function only. If
Okay.
not, if nothing will be passed, then that will be like default parameter. So
Okay.
that's what I use, but still it's not working. No matching function for fault to deletion. Okay, spelling mistake included. Okay, okay. I have to provide the const keyword because the both the strings are constant. So that's why it's not. Yeah, it's giving like this.
Yep. Mm,
Yes.
yep, it's good.
So
Yeah, we can just run the rules. I think so. Okay, so there was a sentence. So you are given an array of characters that consists of sequence of characters separated by each character. Okay, each space delimited sequence of character defined as a each space delimited sequence of character